Hey guys, Programmer 12 here, and today I'm teaching you, where did it go? Here it is. How to solve the Rubik's Cube. Step 1 is to, really, since I'm not going to be using formulas, I'm going to show you how to do the white cross. First, what you need to find out that when you're doing the white cross, there needs to be red, red, blue, blue, green, green, like basically a double line on each thing. So if you're doing orange first, it has to look like this, but white there. So I always go for blue first. So I have to find a middle piece, like this, that has blue. So white, blue. This is the piece I need. So if it's from here, to get it from here to here, all I have to do is basically cross it over and then move it over here. Just cross and move it, and I'll have white, blue. And then once you're done with that, move that out of the way. Then you go to orange. As you can see, it already has orange, but the white. So then you need to already found it. There's an orange and a white. It's a corner piece in the middle. To get it there, all you have to do is just move the middle piece until you meet it over here, and you turn it all the way back to where it's now. It's blue, blue, orange, orange, white, white. Just repeat the pattern until you get this. And now I'm gonna go for red. So I need to find a red and white over here. Just move this middle piece, bring it back, and I already have red, red. You don't want any corners in yet, so it doesn't mess you up. And then finally I'm gonna lost the middle piece. Whoops. Since the blue, here it is. There we go. But the red, red one. It's on the wrong part, so now I just move it to the right part. So red, red, blue, blue, and orange, orange. Now I go for green. Green, white is down here, and again, you just move it. Since it's already in a 3 pattern, you just move it like that. And that's the white cross.